Adventures. I brought my sister here with me today. We're going to be drawing a pineapple. My aunt requested it, so let's get started. Let's start with like a barrel shape a little bit. Her name is Kinley. Good job. And then we're going to just do it flat across. Now let's draw a bunch of mermaid scales inside of our pineapple. You done? Oh, good. You're probably quicker. So now in each of the mermaid scales, we're going to be drawing a bunch of circles. You can pause the video if you want to, if we're going too fast for you. That's a good thing about TVs. Okay, I'm done. So now let's draw the leafy things. So for the ones that are supposed to be going behind, just don't curve it as much. Just curve it a little, and then it doesn't look like it's going side. It actually looks like it's going in the back. I'll show you how mine looks after, and it will look just like a circle. Except it didn't look like one's in the front. It kind of looks like it's going like an ocean, but it's parting a little. But it looks overlapping. You can always just go through another, but just don't actually draw it. Just imagine it so it's like this. I didn't draw that down there. I just curved up. Okay, so let's draw the ground, but don't draw it beneath. Just draw it behind so it doesn't look like it's floating in midair. Wow, you got big ground because you're high up. Good. So now let's draw a window in the background. Just some details. So just do 2 lines straight up. See how that got in my way? I just went through it even though I didn't draw it. Now let's draw a border. So just go up in the middle of it. It's fine. You can leave yours if you want. Okay, so now let's draw 2 lines in the middle. The reflections, So just draw a sideways jelly bean shape and then color that in with your pencil. Oh, it looks just like mine. It's not good. So now let's draw bigger of those jelly bean shapes and you color it in. What are those? Just for the reflection, like the glare in the window. Yeah. Okay, looks good. So next, let's draw the lines through the middle that a lot of people draw them with. There's it's kind of like a cross sign, but they're actually. That was a quick video, but we're already done. So now let's just color it in. Not that long after all. Start coloring it in. Get brown. we're gonna, like, for the window, we're gonna do, like, dark blue to lightest blue until it turns white. And when you get to this one, what I want you to do is just color the dark thick like we are usually doing. But then after that, what I want you to do is I want you to get lighter. Like, I want you to keep going down, like, farther than you were supposed to. Well, actually, you are supposed to, but and then get lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter until it turns white, which is the boringest color in this picture. There, like that. So try to do that. Okay. Like this, Billy. Doesn't that look like it's changing? Yeah, but try to make it kind of look white down here, but I already did it. Good job. Well, I'll be done. Yep. Ew. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you comment, and bye.